In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language on Microsoft Copilot. We'll walk through the process together, ensuring that you can easily switch to your language of choice. So let's dive in. The first step, as we've all done countless times before, is to open your internet browser and go to Google. Once you're on Google, you'll want to type Microsoft Copilot into the search bar. This will bring up all the necessary results related to Microsoft Copilot, allowing us to move forward. As you type, pay attention to suggestions that pop up beneath the search bar. These can often lead you directly to the right place. Now, from the search results, click on the Microsoft Copilot website. This is typically the first link and is clearly marked, so you shouldn't have any trouble finding it. Clicking on it will take you directly to their homepage, where we can proceed with setting our language preferences. Next, take a look at the lower left corner of the website. Here, you'll see your profile icon or your initials if you've already signed into your account. Clicking on this icon will open a menu where you'll find various settings and options available to tailor your user experience. In this menu, look for the option labeled Language. This option is key because it will allow us to change the language settings. Click on Language to proceed further. You'll be presented with a list of languages from which you can choose. The list is comprehensive, so you're likely to find the language you need. Select your preferred language from this list. It's always a good idea to ensure you understand the basics of the language you choose. It makes verification easier, just in case you need to. Once you've made your selection, Microsoft Copilot will automatically apply this setting to your account. So, to recap, start by opening your browser and searching for Microsoft Copilot on Google. Once you're on their site, head to your profile, select Language, and pick your desired language from the list provided. It's as simple as that. These steps make navigating and using Microsoft Copilot in a different language straightforward, allowing you to work in your preferred language comfortably. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide has been helpful in setting your language preference on Microsoft Copilot. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy navigating!